come this way and take your pen frame. Okay, come on. Hi, welcome to Wesley Dental. Yes. And what was your last name? Okay, Bush. B-U-S-H. Okay. First name? Anthony. Have you been here before, Anthony? Okay, you have not. Let me get you checked in. And it shouldn't take a moment. My computer has been acting up all day. I know. What kind of computers do you work with? Oh, a Mac girl. I am. I don't know much about these PCs. They very much aggravate me. They do. Alright, let's see. Anthony. Alright. I'm just going to enter date of birth, please. Which year? Anyone? Okay. And current address. Okay. Zip code? 5. Perfect. Home telephone number. Gotcha. All right. This is just going to the system slowly. Yeah. It is locked up. You know what? We have paper, and paperwork's fine too. So let me see. I'll get you started on these forms. Okay, Anthony, if you just want to have a look with me, this first paper right here, this is just going to ask for your name, birthday again, like I just asked you, mostly all that information, just basic. Down here, we want you to put 2 in case of emergency contacts with their phone numbers and possible addresses. Okay, and then the next page, pretty explanatory here, self-explanatory. We have our dental associates providing comprehensive dental services for the entire family. Get the name of our doctors here, and you are seeing which doctor? Jacobson. We have Jacobson, Thompson, Kudak, Lehman, Fleming, Lane, Como. Kudak, okay. Just circle that. Okay, and let's see. This is just a welcome kit. It's gonna ask you the last date of your exam, if you've had bleaching, filling, crowns, sealants, extractions, bridges, veneers, implants, prosthetics, complete partial denture, any kind of therapy. Okay, let me just circle that. Perfect. And we have our new patient welcome kit. We're going to give you about 35% off your total amount due today. And we're actually going to give you a free and clean, very gentle. We also provide senior citizen discounts, which does not apply. We provide for most dental plans. We do. Yes. After we have those checked off, and this is just the basics, the doctor again might go over a few more of our options with you today since you are starting on a new package. And these are just some more information from you. Allergies, like I said, any kind of plans that you may have. It will just ask a little bit more in detail. Medical history, heart conditions, so on, so on. And this is all I need from you right now. So if you want to take this go ahead. Our very relaxing waiting room is just to the left. And have a seat, and I will call you back shortly. And if you have any questions, the doctor or we can both assist you, okay? Okay, sounds good. There you go. There's a pen attached to the clipboard. You're welcome to keep it. It actually has our new logo on it. We are no longer West Cedar Dental as of next week. We'll be East Cedar Dental. Yeah. How does that sound? Very confusing to me as well. Yes. Okay, well, where did our music go? Well, we're working out some bugs before the big move, you know. So. Yes, it's true. It's true. Alright, so I'll let you go ahead and fill those out, and I'll see you back, Anthony. Okay? Perfect. Charlene, my computer is locked up again, and to make matters worse, we have no music. Music is coming from the computer. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a nice hard restart. We'll see what happens. Oh, when is this new building coming from? Gonna be great. Hey, Miss Larson. Actually, Dr. Kudak is going to be with you shortly. If you want to come back with me, I'll get you all set up and comfy. Okay? Come with me. Perfect. Just have a seat and the doctor will get you. Computer starting up. So, been trying a new brand of coffee. It's really good. It smells awesome. My husband's not too fond of it. He likes his decaf. He does. Can't talk the old fool out of it. I need my caffeine. Yes, it's true. There we go. We're trying to get back online. Oh, thank you, Anthony. That was very quick. Let me just come over here. Let me pull up over here. And let's have a look. I'm just going to go over each page and make sure it's been filled out correctly. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Okay. Hope you did forget one thing right here. Is this a yes or no? Okay. Pretty easy. Looks good. Doctor will be with you very shortly. I'm just going to give him a page. You can have a seat, and I'll let you know when he's ready for you. Dr. Kudak? Dr. Kudak? Oh, hi. Sorry, we're having problems up here. Your 10:30 is here. He is. I will send him back. All right, thank you. Bye. All right, Anthony, why don't you come with me? You know anything about these computers? Such a pain. I don't know what's going on with it. It reboots and starts, and then I think we have the letter substitution. Oh well. Here you go. Dr. will be very shortly. Thank you.